How's it going, guys? So today we're going to solve first unique character in a string. This question is literally cool. So what we have to do in this question, we have to given a string, we have to give back the first non-repeating character index. What it means by is, if you look at over here in this one, we have Leetcode. Okay, so we have to find the unique character which does not repeat in this string. Okay, so let's say like this character L is does not repeat, this E is repeated, this E over here, and this T, C, O, D, D. So we have like we have 5 unique characters, but I have to give back the first character index. Okay, only the first one. Okay, so this will be, the index will be 0, so we have to return 0 over here. Okay, but what if we have a character like this A, B, B, so it does not have any unique characters, so I will return -1 for that. If you look at the question, they say the same thing. Okay, and return is index, so otherwise return -1. Alright guys, I hope this thing is clear to you. So we are going to do the same thing over here. So to solve this question, we use the help of hash map to solve this. Okay, so let's just first of all move to the code and you will understand what I'm doing over here. So let me create map character. So what I'm doing, I'm just giving the character indices over here, and I will call it map. Alright guys, now what I will do, I will run the loop till this array length till last from 0 to now what I will do, I will simply, guys, first of all I will get the character from the string. So for that I will say char let's say current equals to s dot char at I. Alright guys, now what I will check if my map contains key of the current character, then what it means, like the character is like already present in that one. So for that I have to give -1, like I don't have to consider that one. If it is unique, then I will put its index in my map. Okay, so I will do the same thing over here. I will say map dot put map dot contains key of current, then I will say map dot put. So why I did -1 means, so like if you are giving -1 index, it means like this is an invalid condition, so it will not gonna take place. Okay, so it will like it will not get added into our hash map. Okay, if it is not similar, then what I will do, I will just simply put that index. Okay guys, all right, now guys, what I will do, I have to find the first unique character. Okay, for that what I will do, I will create one variable called, let's say unique, and I will give it integer dot max value. Now I will run a loop. Now I'm running a for each loop over here. So map dot key set. Okay, now I will check my condition. If unique dot now I have to check if map dot get is greater than -1, and I will say map dot get c is less than 1. So what it means, so like it means my value is like has to be greater than -1, and it has to be less than unique, not 1, it has to be less than unique. It will be, I can say like it will be 1, but for some test case it will fail. I will gonna just show it to you if you say. Okay, so unique. Okay, now I will say my unique equals to map dot get c. Okay guys, now what I have to do, I have to return either -1 or its index. So how are you gonna do, I will simply use the ternary operator over here. I will say return unique. If it is true, it means like it does not have any unique one. then for that I will simply return -1. Otherwise I will give the unique value index. Okay guys, so I hope this code is crystal clear to you. So let me just give a quick run hit. And we did a little mistake. Was that, oh, S will come over here, mommy. And here we go guys. So this code is running. Like now I told you like what happened, like if I put 1 over here, then you will see. Okay, then for this I think it will work. Leetcode, let's just change the test code. Now let's try for this one. Alright guys, so you see we are getting -1, but we have to get 2 over here. That's why. So you know like what it so you know why we are giving is like less than unique. It means like the value present between greater than -1 and less than 1. So it will be from like varying from 0 to unique, 0 to less than unique. Okay, the unique could be anything. It depends on like how long the string is. Okay, so let me just give a quick submit it and erase it as well. Right. Okay guys, so you see this code is getting submitted. Guys, like the time complexity we are dealing over here is O of big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of 1. So I don't know why like it's getting too much, like running time 61.5%. Anyways, like sometimes like if you look at over here, in the first time it is getting in 93% something. Now it is going, I don't know, I don't understand Leetcode. So anyways, I hope you understand the question. The main thing is, if you still have any doubts, then do just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get to you. And if you don't understand this question still, then do one thing, just try to go this video again. You will definitely going to understand like what I have did over here. So this question is quite simple. If you want, then I can again explain you, otherwise you can skip it. Okay, so guys, what I did over here is, if you look at over here, I just create one map. Okay, and I say like my character, I give my character their indices. Okay, index value. Now I call it map. Okay, now what I will do, I run a loop, and in that loop, in this for condition, what I'm doing, I'm putting my unique index value in my hash map. Okay, that's what I'm doing over here. I say like if my map has contain key. Okay, it means like my map is similar to the current value, then what I will do, I will simply put -1 for that. Okay, otherwise if it is not similar, okay, then what I will do, I will just simply put their index value if it is a unique one. Okay, now over here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find the unique index element, the first index, the first one, the minimum one. I can call it otherwise like unique, I can call it min as well. Okay, so it will do the same thing. So now what I'm doing over here, I'm just running a for loop. I'm getting my key set. Like if we get if my minimum value, the unique minimum value is vary from -1 to till minimum, the maximum one, then my unique is that one, because like that's the minimum value. So let me just change it as well, the minimum. Guys, this is like a kind of a little bit tricky part, so I hope you will understand. Okay, so in the end, I'm just using ternary operator to check if it is true, like the value does not exist, like it is similar the value, then I have to return -1 for that. But that's what I did. If it is a unique value, the value like the value is not same, then I will return min for that. So it will give my unique index. Okay, it can be 0, 1, 2, anything. Okay, so I hope this code is crystal clear to you guys. If still any doubt, then I say like just try to figure out like your basics. Okay, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.